Okay, so are you all on page number 26? Are you all on page number 26? Are you all on page number 26, guys? Yes, no? Okay, so what is the topic for today's class? What is the topic for today's class? Selection based statements, isn't it? Code with selections, okay, or conditional statements, or whatever you can call it as. Okay, so right, so people who have attended my C sessions earlier might find it a bit easier, okay, because I would be repeating few things from those C sessions. Okay, so others can make sure that you can listen to me very carefully and ask me doubts in between. Okay, so in Java there are three selection based statements. Okay, and what are they? As you can see on the material, there are three selection statements. Okay, so what are they? First one is called as if statement. If boolean expression, open the brace and close the brace. Okay, set of statements. This is the first one. These are set of statements. Okay, next, what is the second one? If boolean expression. Okay, open the brace, close the brace, set of statements. Okay, set of statements. Let me explain it to you. Give me some time. Okay, let me complete writing. Else part. Okay, and then you will have set of statements. You will have set of statements. Okay, next we have something called as else if ladder, which says if boolean expression, open the brace, close the brace. Okay, statements. All right, then we have else if boolean expression. Okay, set of statements. We have a set of statements over here. Okay, then we have again else if. Okay, a boolean expression, and then a set of statements. Correct, a set of statements. Else. Okay, else, open the brace, close brace, you have a set of statements. Okay, now, by the way, guys, what do you mean by Boolean expression? What do you mean by Boolean expression over here? Put that in the chat box. What do you mean by Boolean expression? Quickly put that in the chat box. What do you mean by Boolean expression? Okay, so any expression that will result in a true or false value is called as a Boolean expression, isn't it? Any expression that results in a true or false value is called as a Boolean expression. Any doubt in this, guys? Any doubt in this? I'm going very slow. Okay, so you understand. What I see is in most of the doubt sessions, I have already explained you in the class, but still you ask me to repeat in the doubt sessions. Okay, so before asking me to asking me to repeat in the doubt sessions, I want you to clarify now itself. Okay, no, don't keep it till the doubt sessions, because during the doubt session it becomes difficult for me to again explain everything from first with an example. Okay, so you have any doubt, just say doubt, I will stop so that we can clarify. Is that okay, guys? So at the end, don't ask me for doubts to explain this concept. Doubts are okay, but concepts you don't ask me to explain. Once again, I'm going slow. Right now, any doubts here? Did you understand what do you mean by Boolean expression? Any idea? You have doubt, you can ask me. I'm waiting. Guys, do you know, have any doubt? What do you mean by Boolean expression, guys? Okay, I'll repeat once again. Boolean expressions are those expressions which will result in either a true or false value, end of the day. Okay, now having said that, how does this work? If this Boolean expression, okay, this Boolean expression results to be true, if this happens to be a true, if this value, if this expression results in a value of true, then, okay, enter into this if block. Anything that you write between your open brace and close brace is basically called as a block, and it is used for grouping statements together. It is used for grouping statements together. Therefore, it says if you have an expression that results in true value, then the control must enter into this if block, execute the statements which are there over here, okay, and then continue with the rest of the statements. Is that okay? For example, okay, if suppose this Boolean expression results in false value, then it says don't enter into this if block, ignore this block, okay, and continue with the rest of the statements. Okay, let me give an example. If, okay, suppose I say a value is equal to 6, okay, and then I say a greater than 6, a greater than 6, open the brace, close the brace, system dot out dot print ln. Okay, it says greater just a statement called as greater, okay, and then I'll say outside this system.out.println, okay, India, something like this. Okay, now can you tell me what is the output of this simple code snippet? What is the output of this program? Okay, why do you think it is only India? Is because if a value is 6 and this boolean, this is a boolean expression, isn't it? This is a boolean expression. A greater than 6 is basically false. A is not greater than 6, it is nothing but false. If it is false, I don't want to enter into this if block. Okay, I will skip this if block and go out of this and execute the rest of the statements, and that is why it is India. Okay, so instead of a is equal to 6, if a would have been say 16, then what would have been the output, guys? Tell me what would have been the output of this particular program. Okay, then the output would have been greater and India, both would have got printed. Yes or no? Why? Because if this condition is true, I will enter into this block, I'll execute the system.out.println saying greater, I will come out of this if and then continue with India. Okay, so the output would be greater and India. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Clear with this one? Clear with this one? Okay, because at the last moment don't tell me I did not understand, I'm waiting. So please ask me now itself, did you understand this one? Okay, I'll go slow. My intention is you have to understand it very clearly. In the doubt sessions, it is difficult for me to explain again from first and you may not understand. That is the reason. Okay, so please understand now itself. Did you understand this? Clear? I'm waiting for some time. Shall I move the next one, guys? Shall I move the next one? Okay, yeah, I want everyone to understand. Don't hesitate. Tell me if you did not understand, say did not understand. Don't hesitate in saying no, it's okay. I can tell you once again. Okay, if this condition is true, enter into this block, else come out and execute the rest of the statements. If this is false, don't execute this. Okay, come out of this, execute the rest of the statements. Is that okay? Yeah, so if this is okay, Shravani, can you please unblock yourself and sorry, unmute yourself and talk to me quickly. Shravani, Shravani. Shravani, can you please talk to me quickly? I'm waiting for you. Shravani, Shravani, quickly. Shravani is there, not there. Okay. What didn't you understand? What you did not understand? Tell me what you did not understand so that I can explain that. Shravani, what you didn't? Okay, fine. Let me repeat. All right. See, Shravani. Okay. After within this if no, there will be an expression, Shravani, and that is basically called as an Boolean expression. Okay. When you say Boolean expression, any expression that must result in a true or false value, that is basically called as a Boolean expression. So if you want to enter into this, and this is open brace and close brace is basically called as a block. Okay, and if suppose you want to enter into this block, right, this Boolean expression has to result in true value. All right, and if suppose this value, so in this case when I said initially a is equal to 6, when I said a is equal to 6, okay, and then I have this Boolean expression which says if a greater than 6. If a is greater than 6 is a Boolean expression which results in a false value because a is not greater than 6, and therefore what happens is that it will not enter into that if block. Okay, it will ignore the if block. If suppose I want to enter into this if block, then this condition has to be true. Okay, so if it has to be true, okay, so what will I do now? Say I'll say a is equal to 16. When I say a is equal to 16, if a greater than 6 becomes true, because it is true, I will enter into this if block, execute this set of statements, and then come out and continue with the next rest of statements. Okay, Shravani, did you understand this now? Clear? Yes, no? Okay, I think you have network issue and anyways, chalo. So next one, okay, the same thing with the next one. If Boolean expression, okay, if this results in true, what happens is that, okay, enter into this if block, execute this set of statements, and if this Boolean expression results in false, okay, then ignore this if block and then come to the else part. Is that okay? Say for example, tell me if suppose I say a is equal to, say a is equal to 6, and if suppose I say if a greater than 6, okay, open the brace, close the brace, system.out.println, okay, g, okay, else, okay, else system.out.println, okay, I would say l, okay, and then I would say out of this, okay, system.out.println, okay, b. Okay, now can you tell me what is the output of this, guys? What is the output of this? Okay, so A is equal to 6. So this expression A greater than 6 is basically A greater than 6 is false. If it is false, I cannot enter into this if block. I will come to the else part. In the else part, I'll say L, and after completing the else block, I will come out of this and then say B. Okay, no, therefore it is L and B, right? Now, in this case, if suppose I say A is equal to 16, then what would have happened? 16 is greater than 6 will result in true value. Okay, this will result in true value, and therefore I will enter into this if block. Okay, that is G, and then I will ignore the else part and come here and I'll then say B. Is that okay? So if it is true, get into the if block. If it is false, enter into the else block. That is as simple as that. Very simple. Is that okay? Now, coming to the third part. Coming to the third part, you call it as else if ladder. Okay, where you have a series of else if, else if, else if, and at the end you have basically an else block. Okay, so how does this work? If this Boolean expression happens to be true, if this Boolean expression is true, enter into if statement. That is, enter into if block, execute the statements, ignore the rest. If this Boolean expression happens to be false, okay, then ignore this if block, enter into this else if block, and get into this else if statement and see if this condition Boolean expression results in true or false. If it is true, enter into this if block, ignore the rest. If even this becomes false, then ignore even this and come to the next else if and see if what is the value for this Boolean expression. If it is true, execute the statements, ignore the rest. If it is false, ignore this and come to the last else block. This is how else if ladder will work. Is that okay? We'll work on programs later. First, let us understand these concepts. Is that okay, guys? Clear with these three? Okay. If else, and else if. We will work on programs tomorrow. We will finish off all the concepts today related to selections. Is that okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, the last one, else if program, once again, can you repeat, sir?
No, you should repeat. I will not repeat. You have to repeat. What is your name?
Sir, Soumya Ganapati, sir.
Soumya Ganapati. You repeat. First, what will happen?
Sir, if statement is true, we
Hmm.
should enter into the statement and ignore the rest of the statements.
Correct. Then.
Sir, after that only I got stuck, sir.
If it is false, you tell me. You only tell me.
If it is false, and
Ignore this.
we must leave that statement and go to the next statement.
Then come to this.
Oh, then if the second statement is true, we must ignore others and only do that, sir. If
Exactly.
it is false,
Hmm.
and we should leave that and come to the next statement.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Now I understood, sir.
Simple, no, Soumya Ganapati.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You
Starting
should
I
only
got.
do. If you do, you will only get. If I do, I will get. If you do, you will get. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
You know
sir.
how brain works?
Y-
You know how brain works?
No, sir.
Soumya Ganapati, you don't know how the brain works. You want me to tell you how the brain works?
Yes, sir.
The moment you are trying to do some action, okay,
Okay,
no,
sir.
see, I've done a lot of psychology courses, okay. So the
Okay,
moment
sir.
you try to do some action, if you want to take some action, automatically your brain will get into motion. Your
Okay,
brain
sir.
will get enabled, and that brain will start doing the thinking work.
Okay,
You're
sir.
understanding? Now, for
Yes, sir.
example, when I actually write a logic for a program, when I write the logic and show to you, you will feel most
Yes,
of the
sir.
students are very happy. Yes or no? Because I have tested this initially during my initial teaching career. When I started to teach, I wanted to
Yes,
help
sir.
students. And okay, guys, you want, shall I share a small story with you guys? If you're okay, I can share a small story. Small story. You want to know a real time? It might give you a lot of. Okay. So this happened in 2012. Before I actually quit my job, 2012. Okay. I used to
Okay, sir.
teach C programming to students. Okay. So I was working in this company called as GE Healthcare, General Electric, GE Healthcare. Okay,
Okay.
who said, Nireksha, thank you. Okay. So I was working in this company called as GE Healthcare. So I was getting 1,36,000 salary that time. That time, 2011, I'm talking about 2011, 2012, monthly. 1 lakh, how much is
Okay,
that?
sir.
1,36,000 in my bank account every
36,000.
month. Taka, 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 every month I used to get. And I didn't want to leave that job. Correct. No, it was very nice job. And I was a design engineer there, and I had some 10 people, working under me actually. And I mean, when I say working under me, I was a head, I was leading the team, and it was
Okay,
very
sir.
nice. And also what happened, I started Subhash programming classes. So morning I used to go early to office. I used to complete my work. I used to assign all the work to my, juniors there. And I used to come in the evening to take classes over here. Okay, no. So
Okay,
1
sir.
lakh 36,000 per month is a big salary, good salary, yes or no? And G
Yes, sir.
brand is there, and my book got published, and full happy life. Okay. And I started Subhash programming class also. Evening batch I used to do. Okay, so we had
Okay.
some 50 students attending their classes.
Okay.
And 50 students also, from there also I used to get money. Okay, from company also I used to get money. Full money only. Yes or no? Subhash life
Yes,
was
sir.
very happy. Correct, no, guys? What do you think, guys?
Yes,
Happy now? There
yes,
also
sir.
money, here also money. What else you need? And not married. And not married also. Full jolly. Correct. Full jolly, right? So one fine day what happened? I'll tell you the reality, okay? So one fine day what happened? One company came to campus. Okay, so now I mean that company called as Global Edge. Global Edge company came to campus interview. Okay, so when I say they came to campus interview, they mailed me. Okay, they mailed telling Subhash, we need your candidates. We have heard about your candidates. Okay, so we need your candidates. So I said, okay, no problem. And I sent. So, you know how I used to teach? In my class, I used to teach every program one by one, line by line. I used to explain the right. Like you remember, did you see the code that I've sent you guys in the WhatsApp group? Code I sent you, no?
Yes, sir.
The same
Yes, sir.
code, what I used to do, instead of asking all the students to solve, I used to line by line, I used to solve. To the students, I used to explain how the code works, and line by line code I used to show them. In this batch, did I show you the code, guys? Tell me. In this batch, did I
No,
show
sir.
you the code? I did not show. Okay, but then there in that batch, I used to show the code line by line. I used to show the code. So what happened was that, and every students were liking, okay, hey, Subhash sir, super teaching, code and all. I'm explaining all the code, get bits, set bits, everything. Okay, and students used to feel they're understanding everything. Then what
Okay,
happened?
sir.
I sent these people to interview. Okay. After attending interview, what happened? They came back. Okay. So I in the office, I used to have someone who will take care of the office because I'm in the company in the morning. Okay. So I was waiting for the result. I thought everybody will get placed because I have explained every problem for them. So what happened? I called up the manager, okay, and I asked what happened to the students whom I sent you, okay. So the manager was Dhananjay. So the Dhananjay told me, Subhash, sorry to say, not even a single student got selected. My heart broke completely. I was like, man, what are you saying? Okay, not even single student. And I used to explain each and every line of code to students, and every students were understanding and all those things. I felt literally bad. Okay, and I could not believe that fellow. I told, okay, can I see the my students answer paper, because I was putting my wholehearted effort to teach them, right? So this then I said, Subhash, no problem, come, I'll show you the papers of your students. My dear friends, you trust me or not, not even a single student had written complete program. They did not even know how to write the code. I felt so bad. I felt so bad. I felt like I'm standing naked in front of them. Okay, because I told them that my students are the best. Okay, I told them they will answer all the questions. Not even a single student wrote the program. And then I felt really very bad. That is when I decided, okay, that I did a mistake. You know what was the first mistake? First mistake was I was working in a company, and only evening I was to be with them, and I used to teach them, spoon feed them each and everything. Okay. So that day, without telling my mother, without telling my father, okay, or without telling my elder brother, or not telling anyone, okay. So I just went to the company next day. Okay, there is a portal where you can resign. Okay, no, I just closed my eyes. I wrote my name there. Okay, we give some like other number, we have that company number. I just closed my eyes, I turned my head this side, I just clicked on that resign button, and my resignation mail went to the manager. The first thing that I did was to resign the company, because after taking money from students, okay, I am enjoying in the company, and I felt that I am teaching, but I was actually not teaching. Okay, it means I was teaching them, but that is not really coaching or teaching, right? Now I had to ask them, I had to give them deadline. Okay, so immediately within, I told my manager that cut all my salary within 1 week. I want to get relieved, and I want to get back to my students. Okay, so within 1 week I got quit the company. I came back fully, money gone, 1,36,000. I knew that that is not important for me, because I had a goal of teaching students. I wanted to become successful in that particular area. So I came to Subhash programming classes morning till evening. I observed. Okay, I observed each and every student. Then I understood that, okay, when I start teaching them each and every logic, their eyes is working, brain is not working. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? Okay, they are seeing. When I'm explaining them, no, it is very easy for them. Correct, it's very very easy for them. They feel, oh, very nice, very nice, very nice, but not even single student's brain is working. And then I got to know the mistake that I'm doing is that I never gave them to burn their brain calories. I did not give them any work to the brain. I gave them work to the eyes and ears. Eyes and ears are working, they are liking, they are understanding, they are feeling very happy. Okay, but their brain is really not working. Then I started, giving them assignments, and I could actually see improvement in them. And then I could actually send them back to interviews and all that. Then I started getting results. Okay, so what is that? That is the reason from that day I will not give solutions to students. Okay, I will tell them to go and find out solutions, and they will automatically go and find solutions, guys. And this is how it works. Pampering will not work. Have you seen any kid who is pampered becoming very great in life? Nobody will work. Only those people who have struggled, who have gone through the difficulty, only knows how to actually sustain bigger difficulties. Understanding, guys? Yes or no? So
Yes,
I
sir.
won't pamper anyone. I want you to put little bit of effort to your brain and burn your brain calories. Okay, let your brain and all is like this. Let us loosen it off. We have to loosen the brain like this. Yes or no? It is rusted. Brain is completely rusted. Yes or no? So let us loosen it off. We'll put oil, grease, and all that, and we'll do. Is that okay? Right? Okay. So that is the reason. And the end I'll give you. At the end I'll give you solution. But first thing is you have to do it. Is that okay, guys? Yeah. Okay. Chalo. So now did you understand these three set of statements? Soumya, Ganapati, did you understand these three set of statements?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Awesome. Okay, very nice. Okay, now
Thank
we
you,
will
sir.
go for one more concept that is called as okay. That is one more concept called as Okay, I will explain you one more. I'll give you one more analogy. See analogy in the chat box. I'll give you analogy. All my C students know this analogy. For you once again, analogy. Okay, so I will take you to Wonderla. Yes or no? Where will I take you guys today? Where will I take you? Tell me, put that in the chat box. Amusement park, Wonderla. Yes or no? I think all my C students know Wonderla analogy. Correct? No? Right. And you also know which concept I'm going to explain. Which is that? Which is that? Okay. Yeah, very good. Let us first, help you out with Wonderla. Okay. So, okay. Now let me explain that. Okay, so now see in Wonderla what happens in amusement park, there are different gates, isn't it? This is first gate, this is second gate, okay, this is third gate. Radhika, you are there in the class? 1 2 3. Radhika, you're there?
Yes, sir, I'm in the class.
You're in the class and your kids are also there in the class, is it?
Yes, sir, it is God gifted.
1 2 3 4, okay, 5, and okay, have you been to any amusement park? Radhika, you have been to any amusement park? Exit gate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which amusement park you have been to?
Sir, in Delhi, sir, like,
Okay.
sorry, I'm not remember.
Okay, but you played games there?
Yes, sir,
Okay, tell me some
definitely.
game names. I know only one game
Uh,
name.
yes, sir. What's up?
I know only one game's name, and that is Giant Wheel. Tell me some other game name quickly.
Gateville.
Quickly.
Sir, merry-go-round with my kids.
Okay, fine. So, guys, anything else? Okay, wave pool. Okay, no problem. Wave pool. Okay, see my student. See how the other students are saying. Okay, so hurricane. It seems okay. Hurricane. Okay, Columbus. Okay, Columbus. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
okay, fine, chalo. Okay, now how does this Wonderla work is very simple. Okay, how does this Wonderla work? If you buy, see, there are different gates. 50 rupees gate, 40 rupees gate, 30 rupees gate, 20 rupees gate, 10 rupees gate, correct? If you buy a ticket worth rupees 50, you can enter into this gate and you can actually play all the games, okay, Giant Wheel, Wave Pool, Hurricane, Columbus Mixture, and come out to the exit gate. If you buy a ticket worth rupees 40, you can enter into only this gate. You cannot play Giant Whale. Okay, you can only play Wave Pool, Hurricane, Columbus Mixture, and come out. 30 rupees means only Hurricane Columbus Mixture. 20 rupees Columbus Mixture, exit. 10 rupees Mixture, exit. If you have no money, what you will do? Don't worry. See, sit on top of the wall and see. Okay, yeah, very good, Joshua. Sit on the wall and see others playing. Yes or no, guys? So, why am I explaining this to you is because, okay, same kind of concept also exists in Java or in most of the languages, including C, C++, and Java. It has. Okay, so what is that? That is called as your switch statement. Okay, so this is basically like your ticket. Okay, I value, this is like your ticket price. Okay, and then you will have something called as a switch header. He is the one who will issue the ticket. Okay, switch I, he's the one who will issue the ticket, open the brace and close the brace. Okay, and now you have gates. What are gates called as, guys? Tell me. In switch, what do you call gates as? Case labels. Correct. Okay, no, case 1 colon, okay, case 2 colon.
तुम बार बार हाथ अगर उठाना
Okay, so case 2 colon, okay, case 3 colon, okay, case 4 colon, okay, so case 5 colon, and then you will have a default colon. Okay, these are like your gates. Is that okay? So you have a ticket, you have a person who will actually issue the ticket, you have a block which is nothing but your wall kind of thing, and you have case labels which are nothing but gates. Okay, so here what will I do? I will say, okay, so in Java what will I do is I would say system.out.println, okay, Shahrukh, okay, Shahrukh. Okay, then case 2 system.out.joshua. What is the next one? Yeah, system.out.println Joshua. What is it? Okay, it is, okay, Gauri. Correct. Now, who is Gauri? Shah Rukh Khan's wife. Okay, then case 3 system.out.println. We have, what is it? We have Shah Rukh Khan, Gauri, and then Subhash. Okay, very good. Thyanesh, remember Subhash. Okay, so who is there next? System.out.println Katrina. Very good. You guys remember Katrina also. Very good. Who is there? System.out.println. Okay, man. The with no wife is Salman. Okay, default nothing matches. Who will match? Talaiva will match. That is nothing but, who is nothing but, okay, none other than Rajnikant. Correct. Yeah. Now, how does this work, guys? How does switch works? Okay, so we have an value called as 3. I value is there. Okay, and then it'll, this fellow will issue the ticket. Okay, 3. Okay, and now the control will come in search of this gate. Okay, so the control will come here. Does it get into case 1, guys? Tell me, does it get into this gate? Okay, no. Why? Because the I value is 3. It has to start matching with all these things. Yes or no? It must start matching with all these, right? So because I value is 3. Now will it enter into this gate? Will it enter into this gate? It will not enter into this gate. Yes, no, correct. Now what about this gate, guys? Case 3, will it enter into this gate? Yes, it is matching. No, the ticket value is 3. It will match this case. And what happens once it matches? Once it enter into this gate by buying 30 by buying a ticket worth rupees 30, what will happen? You can play all the games. No, similarly, once you enter into this gate, no, you can print. I mean, all the statements will get printed, right? Say Subhash, Katrina, Salman, Rajnikant, all the statements will get printed. Okay, now what if the I value is 2? Put that in the chat box. What is the output of this program? If I value is 2, if I value is 2, what is the output of this program? I separate it by comma and put the output. It will be only Gauri, Subhash. It will be, yeah, 2 to default. It will be Gauri, Subhash, Katrina, Salman, Rajnikant. Yes or no? All these things would be printed. What if I value is equal to 1? What if I value is equal to 1? Everything will get printed. Okay, all the things including default, everything will get printed. Okay, what if I value is say 9? If I value is 9, then what will happen? Tell me. Okay, if none of the labels matches, default will definitely match, and therefore it is Rajnikant will be the output. Who is that fellow who is telling Katrina and Rajnikant? He's not living Katrina. Who is that? Radhika. Radhika, why you are saying Katrina? No Katrina. Why Katrina? Rajnikant don't need Katrina. Okay, no. So when you say 9, it's only the default. Nothing matches. Default will definitely match because none of the gates are matching, right? If none of the gates matches, then default will definitely get matched. Is that okay? Right? Now, what will happen if I take this default statement and keep it on top of this case labels? I'll replace this. That is, I will remove this from here. I will remove this from here. Okay, and keep it on top of it. Default statement. Okay, system.out.println and say Rajnikant. Okay, and then say I is equal to 9. Tell me what will happen. Tell me, guys, what will happen. What will happen? Okay, only default will get printed or all will get printed. Okay, okay, write down in your material. Take this as your assignment. Take this as your assignment, guys. Write down in your assignment quickly. Write down your assignment. You have to test this today. Practically, you have to test it quickly. Take this as your assignment and say return. You have to post it. I will open the gate today. I mean, yeah. So I mean, not gate. I'm speaking. I'll open the WhatsApp group today. Okay. So you will have to tell me the output for this. Everyone. Okay, what will happen if I take this default from here and keep it on top of all case labels, okay, and make the I value as 9, then what will happen? This is your assignment today, you have to do it. Okay, within 11 o'clock everyone has to execute and post it in the group. Okay, 11 o'clock we will close the WhatsApp group. Is that okay? Right? Yeah, awesome. Awesome. Okay, now having said that, okay, now okay, now so Firasat, can you please what is that, can you unmute yourself, Firasat? Come to page number 27, guys. Come to page number 27. Firasat, you are there? Firasat, you are there? Not there? Not allowing. Oh, okay, okay. 1 second. Possible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me a moment, ma, Firasat. Give me a moment, 1 second. Okay, so Firasat, so can you, okay, now I'll explain one more thing. Before getting into guess the output, I want to explain one more thing. Give me 1 minute, Firasat. Okay, so guys,
Okay.
suppose you remember, guys, if you go to some, especially the State Bank of India, SBI, okay, and if you want to stand in queue, what will they give you initially? What do you know? Do you know that? If you want to stand in the, exactly, they will give you a token. Yes or no? They will basically give you a token, isn't it? Okay. Now, will the token have some serial number or some randomly generated number? Some number that they will give you. Tell me, it would be some random number, no? No, no, it won't be in serial number. You see, it won't be in serial number. It would be a random number. Okay, they'll give you some random number. Okay, just as your token value, it will be a random number that they will give you. Yes or no, guys? Like M40, N33, N24 or something like that, some random number would be generated. Correct now, guys? Anyone having doubt in this? Random number? Random number is some number between some range. That is a random number. Any doubt in this? Tell me, random number. If suppose you want to generate some random number. Okay, no? You have any doubt? Radhika, I think you must take care of that, yeah, quickly. Or who is it? Radhika or Kausalya? Quickly. Kausalya, you're raising hand. What happened? You have doubt? Kausalya, you have doubt? You can unmute and talk to me quickly. Kausalya, you have some doubt? Okay. So, right. So, do you have this doubt in random number? No, right? So, in Java, how do you generate that random number? If you want to generate some random number, there is a method called as random. Can you see that in the material, guys? Did you see that in the material quickly? Yes or no? Yes, no. Did you see that in the material? Can you underline that? It's very important. It's very important. Underline that. Okay. It's very important. Underline that. And what does it say? Okay. Math.random into 10. When you say into 10, it will generate a random number between 0.0 and 9.0. Excluding the 10. Did you see that? Can you please underline that, guys, quickly? Please underline and say important. Say underline that and say important. Okay. And there is a typo in material. Where is the typo? Oh, it's not. Okay, okay. It's not random. It's random. Yeah, it's random. It's not random. It's random. Okay, fine. Okay. So it is when you say math.random into 10, it will give you a number between 0.0 and 9.0. By default, all the values that you get from math class is what number? It's a double number, isn't it? It's a double value, isn't it, guys? Now, if suppose you want some number which is integer, then you will have to typecast it. Did you see that I have typecasted it there? The second one, did you see that the second one I have typecasted it there? Yes or no? Did you see that? So when you say math.random into 10, and if you make it as integer, then you will get a value between 0 and 9. Okay, so keep that in mind. There is a problem which you have to solve using that. We will see that later. Guys, did you understand how to generate random number? Yes, no? You have any doubt? You can ask me. I'm waiting for you.
Sir, Dhyanesh here.
Yeah, Dhyanesh, tell me.
Sir, 0 to 9 means including 0 to 9 or excluding them, sir?
No, what do you? I did not understand.
Like from 0.1 to 8.9 or 0.0 to 9.0?
0.0 to 9.0.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I mean, you're saying including extra. You will exclude 10.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Do one thing. Don't worry. Do one thing. We have an assignment. We have a problem later. We'll solve that. You'll only get to know. Okay. Give me
Okay,
some.
sir.
Is that okay? Right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So did you understand? I mean, did you see? Very simple. Did you understand random number generation?
Yes,
Forget
sir.
about
Yes.
the ranges. You forget about the ranges. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only thing that you need to know now is exclude the 10. The last
Okay,
number.
sir.
Exclude the 10. From till that 10, you will get some random numbers between that. Whenever you call random, no, randomly some number you will be getting. Is that okay? We'll see that practically. Don't worry. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So by default, math class will give you double. You know this fact, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to make it as an integer, I'm typecasting it as int. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are
Cool.
explicitly typecasting it.
Yeah. Okay. Explicitly typecasting. Super. Correct. Okay. Now keep these concepts. Now we'll go to guess the output, and tomorrow we will solve all the programs. Is that okay, guys? We'll first finish off all the theory part. Is that okay? Guys, is that okay? Are you all okay with that? Yeah. Okay. Let us not mix programs and theory together. Right now, Firasat, you're there online.
Yes, sir.
Firasat is representing the class, and the question is not just for Firasat, it is for everyone. Okay. So Firasat, now tell me the output for the first one. Guess the output first one.
System.out.println E less than F. We should write the ASCII value of E and F.
Tell me the output, what will get printed?
It will be a Boolean expression. Boolean
What is that?
value.
I should tell you or you will tell me?
Sir, it will be true, sir.
It will be true. Why
Yes,
it is
sir.
true? Why it will be true? Why
If
this
we
will
check
be
the ASCII value,
Why? Why it will be true?
sir, if we check the ASCII value, the value of E will be less than F, sir.
Yeah, so ASCII value of E is less than ASCII value of F, correct?
Yes.
What is ASCII value of small a? Firasat?
Sir, I have no idea, sir.
You have no idea. What
I
you
have
have
the
here?
ASCII value.
E is 101, F is, sorry, 101 and F is 102, correct? No, therefore 101 is less than 102 is basically true, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right, okay, so fine. Guys, tell me what is the ASCII value of capital A?
65, sir.
Okay, ASCII value of small a, 97. ASCII value of 0, 48. Keep this in mind. This is very important. Okay, please write it down in your material. Write down this in your material somewhere. Okay, write down ASCII value of all this quickly on your material. Okay, Firasat, so first one is true, right, guys? Say true in the material. Write true in the material, guys, quickly. Wrote? Done. Okay, next one, Firasat.
And next one is small
Read out, yeah, read out.
system.out.println small a is less than capital A.
Small a is less than capital A.
False,
Small a
sir.
is less than capital A. Small a less than capital A. True, false?
False, sir.
False. Okay. Third one. Third one.
System.out.println small a is not equals to small b.
True, false?
True, sir.
True, because small a is not equal to small b. It is true, correct? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt, guys, in the first one? First question, any doubt? I will not repeat this again. In the doubt session, don't ask me, sir, in that I did not understand. In this one, I did not understand. Ask me now only. Guess the output. First one. Doubt session is for asking conceptual doubts. Okay, so ask me now only. I'm waiting. First one. Any doubt in first one? Guys, is first one okay? Everyone okay? Understood? Okay. Now, second one. Second one. Firasat, second one.
Boolean b equals to true.
Hmm.
Int I equals to int of b.
I'm typecasting to int, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is that int of b? Why are you saying int of b? You are typecasting b to integer, correct? No, a boolean
Yes,
value you are
yes,
typecasting to integer, correct?
Yes, sir.
Why are you not using the term typecasting? It is typecasting, right?
Okay, sir.
Tell me what will happen.
I equals
You are trying to typecast a boolean to integer. Guys, what are your opinion? Put that in the chat box. Okay, one. Okay, that will result in a compile time error. You cannot
Compile time.
typecast a boolean to an integer. It doesn't make sense, isn't it? So it is not possible. It will result in a compile time error. Write down. You cannot typecast a boolean to an integer. Not allowed. Compiler will not allow it. Can you put that compile time error, guys, quickly? Say compile time error. After writing, just say return. Done. Okay. Second one, int k is equal to 25. Oh, sorry, Firasat, read it out.
Yes, sir. Int k equals to 25. Boolean b equals to typecasting of k into boolean.
So what is the output now? What will happen?
Sir, I think it will also give a compile time.
Exactly, even that will give an error, correct? No, so you cannot convert an integer to a boolean value. It doesn't hold or it doesn't make sense. So even that is not valid. Is that okay? Even that will give you an error. Okay, write down compile time error. Write down compile time error, guys, quickly. After writing, say return so that I can proceed to the next one. Return. Okay. All right. Firasat, third one.
Yes, sir. Third one. Int a equals to 6. If a is greater than 9,
Okay.
system.out.println hello.
Okay. Tell me the output.
Sir, there won't be any output.
There won't be any output. It will
Yes,
print
sir,
hello.
because that boolean expression is false, no, sir.
But I am saying it will print hello. It will print hello. Did you observe something in that if condition? Did you observe something in that if condition, guys? Yes or no?
Semicolon, sir. There's a semicolon.
Exactly. So what happens there? Say small mistake, you leave it off. I want you to observe very carefully code. Int a is, I want you to be a very good debugger. These are all debugging codes. Okay. So int a is equal to 6 if a greater than 9 is there, no semicolon. Okay. So, and then you will write something like this, system.out.println, correct? So this is equivalent. You know how the compiler will treat this as? This is treating like this, okay? That int a is equal to 6 semicolon, okay? If a is greater than 9 semicolon, that is how it will treat, okay? And then open brace, close brace, then you will say system.out.println hello. So what happens here is that, okay, so this semicolon belongs to this if it not, I mean when I say this becomes a null statement. What is it called as, guys? What is this called as? This is called a null statement, means no statement, nothing. Okay, not it's not null null, it is just a null. They call it as null statement, that's all. It means an empty statement. You can call it as an empty statement, null statement or an empty statement. Okay, so what does it mean? Now what happens is if a is greater than 9, okay, is it true false? A greater than 9, true or false?
False, sir.
If it is false, it will skip the statement and it will come here. Okay, and this is basically a block. Okay, and it will get into this block and say hello. Is that okay? But most of them will think this belongs to if. This one does not belong to the if. Is that okay? Only this belongs to the if. Is that okay, guys? Yes or no? Understood or not? I am waiting. You understand or not? Okay, this block does not belong to the if. Only one statement. Only this one belongs to this if. Okay, so I want to tell you one more thing. After if I have some condition over here after if, okay, and if there is only one statement, if there is only one statement like this example, I mean apart from this, not this one, I'm just giving another example. If there is only one statement, then you don't need to put your open brace and close brace. You understood this? Okay, for your if condition, if there is only one statement within your if condition, then you don't need to actually put your open brace and close brace like this. Okay, so still this becomes your part of your if condition. But if I write next line SOP hello, if I write like this, then okay, this is not part of if. Only this one will be part of this if condition. Only the first system.out.println will be part of this if condition. This is not part of the if condition. Is that okay, guys? Did you understand this? Okay, so if you do not have braces, open brace and close brace, only the first statement will belong to this if condition. That's all. Okay, so this will not be considered as the statement belonging to if condition. The same thing is happening over here. Okay, so after this there is no open brace and close brace, so only one statement, that is an empty statement, is considered as belonging to if. Therefore, if this is false, only this will not get executed and the control will come to next one. This does not belong to the if condition, therefore it just says hello. That is why the output is hello. Guys, is that okay? Guys, okay, not okay? Yes or no? Fine, no? Clear with that? Am I fast, guys? Am I fast? Clear? Am I fast? Okay. Okay. So any doubt? I'm waiting. Because in the doubt sessions, I'm seeing from 3-4
Sir?
days sessions. Yeah, see, tell me.
So what if there is no second statement inside the if, I mean out of if?
You tell me, I will write that, okay? Tell me what I want you to do. What you want me to
No,
do?
in this if condition SOP hello without bracket you wrote, right?
Hmm.
In that, if there is no SOP, second SOP hello, it will print output or it will give errors.
You tell me what you want me to do. You
I
want
think it's error.
No, yeah, you're asking me the code as it is.
No, sir. Actually, you wrote right. If there is one statement inside if condition
Here,
without
you're talking about
yeah,
here.
that is.
Okay, tell that.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no, here. Okay, tell me.
If there is no second statement, whether it will give error or
Like this, huh? Like this.
if the condition is false.
If the condition is false, okay. Like this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if or false, I will not execute this. Then if there is anything else apart from this, I'll start executing from here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah?
If nothing is there, means whether there is a condition, whether only one statement with if condition, only with if condition, no
Like-
other statements after that.
Like this. Like this.
If condition, there is a statement, sir. I
Like
mean,
this.
in if condition, there is output, but after if, there is no any output.
Nothing.
Yes, sir.
It will not do anything.
Only that.
So keep
If
quiet.
the if condition becomes false.
If it falls, SOP, there is nothing. This one. Only
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yeah. This is the one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if or false, it will not enter into if. It won't do anything. Nothing. No output.
Whether it will result in error or empty.
I'm telling you, no output. Empty output. Error means I would have told error.
Okay, sir. Okay.
No output. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Try it out. All these, try it out. After the class, you try it out everything. Remove false, remove true, put false, remove this, put one more statement. Try all these things. Okay, right. Guys, shall we go to the next one?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in the second one, I can't understand after that why you have put in that semicolon. Colon.
Who is this?
Sahil, sir.
Okay. What is your doubt, Sahil?
Sir, I can't understand that you have written that A is equal to 6, no, sir?
A is equal to 6. Okay.
Yes, sir. For that one, like you have written that one colon you have put in between.
Where?
No, sir. While
Read
in
out.
that previous screen.
In the previous screen. Where?
No, sir. Now you erased, no, sir. In that
Okay.
screen, I was saying.
Okay. Tell me what I wrote. If A greater than 9. Okay. I put here.
Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes, yes, sir.
In the material, it is like this, no?
Yes, sir.
The compiler will treat it as like this.
Oh, okay, sir.
I'm saying if you put it here like this, it would be treated by the compiler like this, an empty statement.
Okay, sir.
That is what I said. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, guys, you understand this third one? Yes, no, everyone. Quite simple, yeah. Nothing complicated in that. Understood? Okay, fine. Where is our Firasat? Firasat?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, fourth one. Where? Here means where? Where do you stay?
In Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Wow, very nice. Okay, fourth one.
Int I equals to 1, j equals to 2, k equals to 3. If I is greater than j, if I is greater than k, system.out.println a.
Okay.
else system.out.println B.
Okay. Tell me the output of that now.
It will be B, sir.
It will be,
B.
if it was B, I wouldn't have given the question to you. It is not B. It is not B. Okay, fine. Now listen, it is like this. Okay, if I greater than J, okay, if I greater than K, okay, then within this I've written system.out.println, okay, A, okay, semicolon, and then we have an else, isn't it? Now there is a confusion whether that else, there is an else, isn't it? Else system.out.println B, correct now guys? Okay, now there is a confusion, okay, whether this else belongs to this if or whether this else belongs to this if, isn't it guys? Yes or no? Say yes in the chat box if you have understood what I'm saying. There is a confusion whether this else belongs to this if or this else belongs to this if. I have purposefully written this else below this if to confuse you, so that you think that this else belongs to this if, outer if. But no, if there is no proper braces and if there is an else, Java compiler will relate this else to the innermost if. Therefore, compiler will treat this else as the else belonging to the nested if. Understanding? Therefore, this is how your Java compiler will consider this as if I greater than J, okay, if I greater than K, system.out.println A, okay, and then this else will be treated as if it is belonging to this else system.out.println B. Okay, now in this case, does this if has an else block? Tell me, does this if has an else block? No, right? There is no else block over here. Therefore, is I greater than J? Is I greater than J, guys? Okay, tell me true or false. I greater than J. False, no? If it is false, will it enter into the if block? It will not enter into this if block, and after that there is no else block, and there won't be any output. There is no output. Just keep quiet. That's all. Is that okay? Did you understand this? That is why purposefully I moved else towards the left to confuse you, and you got confused and said B, and I am successful in confusing you. Yes or no? I'm successful in confusing you. Correct? And this is how we set the papers also for interview for freshers. Is that okay? Do you understand this question, guys? Hello. So my sincere suggestion to you is, whenever you're using if else, make sure you put proper braces and indicate. Even there is one statement also, no problem. I want you to put braces. Is that okay? Clear? Yeah. Okay, fine. Guys, till here everybody are understanding? Any doubts? Till here any doubts? Till here any doubts, guys? No. Understood? Clear?
Sir, if the condition is true, it would enter the nested if block.
Yes, it would enter.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. That is doubt. Who is that? Who asked this question?
No, Snowfina, sir.
Snowfina, is that a doubt, ma?
No, sir, I got
No,
struck
one
with...
minute. I told if this is, if condition. If it is false, it won't enter. If it is true, it will enter, no?
Yeah, sir.
Snowfina.
Sir,
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay, next.
Sir. This is me, Danya.
What, Nya?
Danya, sir.
Ramya, tell me.
Danya.
Ramya, tell me, Ramya.
So indentation will not say that.
Indentation? Ramya, I did not get you. What is it?
That is in the same line, sir. Indentation.
Indentation?
Indentation will not tell this if and else in the same line.
Your
sir.
voice is breaking, Ramya. I am not able to hear you properly. You're talking about indentation. What is that? Tell me. Ramya, I'm waiting for you. It's a very good question. Can you tell me? Very good question. Ramya, you're there. I'm waiting for you. Sir, actually, her name is Danya FC. Okay, Ramya Danya. Danya, okay. Indentations will not tell else part. Sir, can you explain that example once? please unmute yourself. Danya, unmute yourself and talk to me once. We'll clear it off and then move forward.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, in the above case, if and else are in the same indentation, no, sir, we have the same space
Correct.
for both
Okay, correct. Okay.
indentation.
Indentation is there, correct. In that book, it is in the same. I have written it in the same block, correct. Till then.
So why can't we take that if it's belong to else?
We can take. That is what you took and gave the
That
wrong
means-
answer. We can take whatever we want, but compiler will not take. Compiler won't understand indentation.
Okay, sir. Thank
Compiler
you.
does not know indentation. You are from my. Have you attended my Python class? Danya?
Yes, sir.
You are Danya Manogaran?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Danya
sir.
Manogaran?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Oh, Danya
Yes.
Manogaran, correct. I think you have attended my Python class. You are my Python student, right? Yeah. So in Python,
Yes, sir.
yeah, the good part of Python is Python will take care of indentation, correct? No? But here Java will not take care of the indentation. Good question that you asked. In Python, yes, indentation will tell you which block belongs to which outer block. Okay, but in Java or C or C++, we have to take care of it. And that is the beauty of Python. Python will actually take care of indentation. If suppose we write some wrong indentation, it will give us an error in Python. But in Java, it will not give any kind of error. It is our duty to make sure that we tell the Java compiler clearly which block belongs to which outer block. Is that okay, Danya?
Hello, sir.
1 minute. Danya, is that okay? Do you clear? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, who is that new student? One more
Hello,
student?
sir. Pratiksha here.
Yeah, Pratiksha, tell me.
Sir, actually, that else should belong to first if no, sir, if we see.
Okay, Pratiksha, that is what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. Purposefully, I wrote it in the material so that it looks for you like it belongs to the outer if. Pratiksha, you're
Okay.
hearing?
Yeah.
I purposefully wrote it like that so that it looks like as if the outer else, I mean the else belongs to if to confuse you. Correct? No. But just because I've written like that, Java compiler will not treat it like that. Okay, no.
Okay, sir.
So Java compiler will not know whether you have maintained indentation or not. It does not know. It doesn't take care of the indentation. Okay, no. So what it will think is that, okay, else is there. It does not know whether it belongs to the outer if or inner if. So what Java compiler will do, it will associate that else with the nearest if block, which does not have an else block. Did you get that, guys? Yes or no? I wrote it like this in the material to successfully confuse you, and you have confused it. And this is how your papers, interview papers or anywhere will look like. Did you guys understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Correct. I am telling you that I purposefully wrote it like that so that to confuse you, but compiler will not know. According to the compiler, that else or if and it does not know. What it does is that it will make sure that it does not know to whom that else belongs to. It will try to associate that else with the nearest if, which does not have an else block. Clear? Guys, clear? I've explained it to you here again and again. Is that okay? Clear, guys? Hello, Pratiksha, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes. But one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Here, the condition itself is false, no, sir, in first if.
Correct.
So
Correct.
it doesn't come to else only.
There is no else only, no, for outer if.
The else is straight to if no. Like what if this condition is there in C
Which one?
language?
Same problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Same thing. Same problem. Did you see the, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
The problem fourth one will be treated by the compiler like this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Did you see that? And for the if there is no else at all, that is why there is no output.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
It won't even enter into this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, and same thing for C also. C also works the same way.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So, Firasat, guys, shall we proceed? Shall we proceed, guys? Yeah. Okay. No doubt till now. Clear with your doubts? Everyone? Okay. Now, fifth one. Firasat, fifth one, tell me what is the output.
Assume num is 14, 15, and 30.
Hmm.
What is output between these two code snippets?
Okay, tell me what is the output between these two code snippets. Guys, turn page number 28 and 29. We have one more code snippet. Can you see? There are two code snippets, page number 28 and 29. There are two. Firasat, there is a noise from your end.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, can you read it out, guys, quickly? So what happens in first code snippet? First code in page number 28, first code snippet. Firasat, you're there?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have some disturbance.
Okay. Anyone else, guys? Joshua, you're there, man? Can you unmute yourself quickly?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir. I'm here.
Yeah. Joshua, can you execute this code now quickly? I mean, execute in the sense, can you tell me what will be the output?
Yes, sir.
For we have three values, 14, 15, and 30.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me the output for the first code snippet.
So for 14, I think it will print out number is even two times.
14 number is even, number is why number is even, number is even. No, don't go to the second code snippet. No, don't go to the second code snippet. Page,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Be on page number 28 only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay, sir. Sir, number is even, sir.
Okay. Next one. No.
Next 15.
But no. My question is, do you think both the if statements will be executed for 14?
Yes, I think. Yeah. Yes, I think so, sir. Yes.
Yes. Because there is
Yes.
no else. No, there is no
Yes,
else.
sir.
So
Yes.
first it will say 14 mod 2 equal to 0. So it will be 0. Then it will say number is even. Then will it
Yes,
come
sir.
to the next if?
Yes, sir.
It will come. It will come to the next if, correct? No? And it
Yes,
says
sir.
14 mod 5 equal to 0, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, but it will not enter into the if condition. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Right? No, guys? Guys, correct? No, everyone? Yes or no? Yeah. Now go to the 15th one. Explain like that, Joshua.
Sir, for 15, it will skip the first if and it will go to the second if.
Why
Sir.
it will skip? It will not skip. It will execute that.
It will execute that, sir, but
It will execute the if statement, but it will not enter into the if block.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell that clearly.
It will execute the if statement and it will actually give a false and it will go to the next if.
Then the next if, what will happen?
It will give a true and it will print number is multiple of 5.
Correct. What about 30?
For 30, both will execute and both will give the output, sir.
So what is the output? Number is even.
Number is even, number is multiple of 5.
Okay, guys, can you write that output on your in your material? Joshua, write it in your material.
Okay, sir.
Guys, write down that in your material quickly. And after that, say return. For 14, it will say number is even. For 15, it will say number is multiple of 5. And for 30, it will say number is even, number is multiple of 5. Guys, write down return. Just say return in the chat box.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Bhagyashree, sir.
Bhagyashree, tell me.
Sir, actually, we are passing, actually, the variable is num, sir. But in the print statement, we are giving number and it is not enclosed in the double quote, sir. So it will give a garbage value.
No. It is num only. Typo. That is a typo.
Okay.
It is num.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. Guys, written in the material. Hello, guys, written or not?
Written, sir.
Written. Okay. Shall we go? Same 14, 15, 30 for the next code.
Okay, sir. For 14, if will execute, sir.
Yeah.
And it
so
won't go to else if.
Yeah, it will not go to else if, correct? No, because first only if condition is true. So if it is true, it will not ignore the else if. Right now, guys, everyone? Hello? Yes, no? Okay, fine. Next one.
For 15, if is false and it will go to else if and it will execute, sir.
Okay. What about 30?
For 30, first if will execute and give an output and it will exit out of the statement.
Correct. So will it go to else if?
No, sir, it won't go.
It will not go. So what is the output, total output then? It will be number is even, number is multiple of 5 and
Number
what is that? Number is even, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, no, guys, did you understand the difference between two different code snippets? Everyone, if you have doubts, you can ask me now quickly. Guys, any doubt in this quickly? I'm waiting. No doubt till here. No doubt. No, guys. No doubt till here. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
hello. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. What is your name?
Sir, are these two quotes in comparison? Sir, my name is Sugindra, sir. Sugindra.
Sudhindra. Okay.
Hello.
Tell me, Sudhindra.
Sir, are these two quotes on comparison, or it is saying which is preferable?
You're asking which code is preferable. You're
Yes, sir.
There is nothing like which is preferable and all that. It all depends on your need. That's all. There's nothing called as preferable. I just showed you to make you understand the difference. That's all. You getting it or not? Hello? You getting it or not, man? Okay. Buddy, I'm not able to hear you here. I don't know. Can you please put that in the chat box? Just put that in the chat box. Anyways, Joshua, shall we go to the next one? Guys, we are moving to the next one. Is that okay? Just say okay in the chat box. Yeah, we'll move to the next one. Guys, you are. I want you to respond, man. There are almost so many people attending, but only only hardly some 10 people are responding here. Come on.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Joshua, come on.
Yes, sir. Double x is equal to input dot next double. Double y is equal to input dot next double. And
yeah. So basically, you are taking three values from the keyboard: x, y, and z.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The values are 5, 8, and 9.
Yeah. So I've given you the input also: 5.0, 8.0, and 9.0.
9.0.
Okay.
Yes,
tell me the output of that now. You must know short circuit operator also for this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
False, true, sir.
Yeah, who is this man? In between us, some ghost.
Shekhar, yes, sir.
Shekhar. Okay, wait, Shekhar. Joshua will answer. Wait, Shekhar. Okay. Tell me, Joshua.
X greater than y and then y greater than z.
Okay, so tell me quickly what happens.
X greater than y is false and y greater than z is also false. False and then false is false.
Okay, the first one is false. Guys, is that okay with everyone? First one is false. Are everyone okay with it? First one is false. Hello, first one is false. Okay? Yes, everyone? Sir. Yeah? Okay, fine. Next one.
Next one is x greater than y is false, or y greater than z is also false. False or false is false.
Okay. Next one is also false. Yes or no? Next one is also false. Right, guys? Okay, fine. Third one.
Third one, x less than y, sir. It gives true.
Hey. Who is having highest priority, man? UARL.
Yes, sir. Arithmetic. Sorry, sir. Y plus z first. Y plus z.
What is y plus z?
17, sir. 17.0.
So x less than 17.0.
17.0 is true.
So the answer would be false, false, true. Correct now, guys? False, false, true. Write down in the material. False, false, true. Write down in your material. False, false, true. Okay. Next one I'll teach you quickly. Okay, so listen to me.
Sir, Dhyanish here, sir.
Yeah, Dhyanish.
So why did we give it in double braces, sir? Like 2 opening brackets, 2 closing brackets. I can understand it for the third statement, but I don't know why we gave it for first and second.
Nothing. I just simply gave, that's all. Okay, I mean, I have the habit of giving. I think that is the reason. No special reason why I gave. I think I have the habit of putting everything in neat format. Might be that's the reason I've given.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Because you told if we put it inside a braces, it will be treated as one statement. So like plus z won't be like adding a string. So I thought it will be something like that.
No, there is nothing like that being confused there. No, it's only one.
Okay, sir.
Nothing must do. Even if you remove that brackets, it's the same thing. Nothing to worry.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So next one, guys. Okay. So next one, can you see that percentage 8D? Did you see that, guys? Percentage 8D. Okay. So percentage 8D says allocate 8 space. Okay. And when you that percentage, see how many percentage D are there? Percentage D, percentage 8S, percentage 8.1F. Okay. And then you have, by the way, did you see that printf? It is not println, it is printf. Can you underline that? There is a function printf also in Java also. Okay, so comma, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, comma, okay, you have Java, okay, a string, comma, 5.63, which is basically a float value, 5.63. Okay, right. Now guys, listen to me carefully. This percentage 8D matches to this. This %8 is same like your C language, matches to this, and this will match to the third parameter. Is that okay? Right. So now what happens is when I say %8D, it means, okay, it is nothing but format specifiers. Okay, so 8 indicates the total space given on the screen for printing this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 spaces allocated on the screen, and 1, 2, 3, 4 will occupy the rightmost 4 spaces, and there would be leftmost 4 spaces would be left as it is blank. Same thing for 8 as Java also. Okay, 8 spaces given, it will make use of the last 4 spaces. Okay, and when I say 8.1f also same thing, 8 spaces would be given, and it says out of 8 spaces, okay, 5.6, after the decimal point there can be only one element should, one digit should be printed. That is the meaning of this. If you want so these are all right justified, right aligned. Okay, if suppose you want left alignment, if you want 1, 2, 3, 4 to be here, then say minus. See, I've given it over there, minus, whatever it is. Okay, let me show this practically to you, you will understand. This is something to be shown practically. Okay, so a code with selections. Okay, so cd gto print examples. Guys, can you see the screen? Guys, can you see the screen, guys? Yes or no? Okay, so did you see this %d? Okay, so which side it would be aligned? Tell me which side it would be aligned, guys? Right side. -8 and all that, which side it would be aligned? Left. Okay, and this one is 7 less than 2 will result in what? 7 less than 2, false, no? What is 7 less than 2? It is false, and it is aligned towards the right with how many spaces? With how many spaces? 6 spaces. How many will be occupied out of 6? How many will be occupied out of 6? FALSE 5. Okay, it is 7 less than 2 is false, right? So it is 5. Remaining 1 would be pending. Shall we see the output now? Guys, did you see? First output. 8 spaces in that rightmost 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. 8 spaces, rightmost Java is there. And after that, only one element. Did you see that? 8.1. 8 spaces for floating point and only one element after that. Oh, sorry, one digit after that. Did you notice it? And in the second one, it is all left aligned completely because I put minus. And false is right aligned and only one space is pending here. Did you see this? 5 spaces are occupied out of 6. Is that okay, guys? Hello? Yes, no? Put that in the chat box. Quite simple.
Sir.
Yeah.
So the last system.out.printf, that 7 greater than 2, how is it 5, sir?
Oh, in my program, what is it? 1 second. Oh, sorry. On the screen, it is 7 less than 2. Did you see this? Who is this?
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
This is Soumya Ganapati.
Soumya Ganapati. On the screen, what is there?
7 less than 2, sir.
On the book, in the book material, what is there?
7 greater than 2, sir.
That's it. That is, I was giving you the output based on what is there on the screen. In 7 less than 2 is, what is this? Tell me.
So that is also I having the that is how.
No, you answer my question. What is 7 less than 2?
False, sir.
False. Correct. No, false will take how many characters?
False will take.
FALSE 5, no?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct. No. Total, how much is allocated?
6, sir.
6 is there, no?
6.
Okay. Out of 6, sir. You understood or not? I will change it to greater than now. You understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Sir, no, sir. Like, sir, can you repeat 1 second?
No, you should only repeat. I will not repeat. You tell me.
Sir,
I'll ask you questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same thing. I've made it as same as how it is looking in the material. Okay. Right?
Yes,
7
sir.
greater than 2. Okay. What is 7 greater than 2?
False, sir.
7 greater than 2.
True, sir.
True, no?
True, yes, sir.
True. Oh, okay. So how much of space will be allocated to print true?
Allocated space is 6, sir.
6. Out of that, true is how many characters?
4, sir.
TRUE, correct?
Yes, sir.
How much space is allocated? 1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, no? So,
Yes, sir.
true is TRUE. True, no?
Yes,
How many
sir.
spaces is remaining?
2, sir.
So, what is your doubt now? Okay, so I'll run this code. See, total 6 is there.
Yes, sir.
True got printed.
Okay, sir.
I'll change the
Yes.
code and show it to you. Wait. How much I put now?
4, sir.
Did you see?
Yes, sir.
Did you see the output?
Yes, sir.
Now
I
put 3
understand.
and see what is the output. That is your assignment. See 3, 2 and all that and see what will happen.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Did you
sir.
understand or
Thank
not?
you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand.
Same
sir.
thing with here also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
One second. I will make it 6. Okay. Sir, in that printf, is there no problem with the compiler? No problem. What do you mean by Naveen? Can you open? I mean, can you unmute and tell me what is it?
No, sir. In that printf is given, right, sir? That's why I asked. Will it not be a compiler error or
Printf
something
is
else?
a valid method of Java.
Okay, sir. I thought println should be the one, sir. Okay.
No, no, we have println, printf. There are many other format. There are many methods like that. Printf is one of the methods of
Okay,
Java.
sir. Okay, got it.
No problem. Okay. Okay. Now, so
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, Anusha here.
Yeah, Nusha, tell me.
Why printf is used over println, sir, here?
Simply to show you that there is one method called as printf.
Okay, sir.
Just to show you that there is something called as printf. That's all. And I want to show you that there is some format specific. I have to tell you that, no?
Yes, sir.
Simply, that is the only reason.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Sir, can we use the format specifier in println also, sir?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, guys, who was that? Joshua. Joshua, 8th one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Int I is equal to 2, switch I, case 0 plus I, system out println dosa, break, case 2, system out println idli, break, and case 3, system out println vada.
Output.
Yes, sir.
What is the output?
Sir, I think case 0 will execute and break, sir.
That will give you an error. That switch statement will give you an error. Is that okay? It is because you cannot have an expression like this with a variable. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, listen to me. I'm going to tell you something very important. Listen to me. Don't confused and all that, but listen to me very carefully. Now, switch has to decide onto which case statement has to execute. Yes or no, guys? Guys, hello. Yes or no? Which statement has to execute has to be decided, correct? Okay. So now, when should it get decided, guys? When should that get decided? During compile time, no? Compiler has to decide, no? Compiler has to decide, no? Yes or no? Okay. But does compiler know what is there inside I? Does Joshua answer my question?
Sir, no, sir.
Does the compiler know what is there inside I?
No, sir.
No, because I is a variable. What is there inside I will be known only during runtime.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So compiler has no way to decide what is 0 plus I. Correct? That is the reason compiler will not understand what is 0 plus I, and it does not know what is this case, and it will give you a compile time error. Whereas instead of 0 plus I, if you would have put 0 plus 1, then it would have worked, because compiler knows that this is a number 1 and this is 0. It can do the addition. Compiler also knows, how to do little bit of basic additions like this, and it will decide on which case statement to execute. Guys, is that okay? Hello, yes or no?
So, small doubts.
Yeah, tell me.
So, will this be the same for if also, sir?
What if?
Like if I is equal to 2 and I put if I lesser than 3, will that give error, sir?
You tell me, I will write it down. If
Like int I is equal to 2.
I is equal to 2, okay.
If I lesser than 3.
If I less than 3, okay.
Some statements like print I.
Okay.
SOPI.
Print I, okay. Something system.out.println, okay.
Yes, sir. In this case, the same case, like in the switch case, we said I will be given only.
Forget about this. Now you tell me about
Yes,
this. Let us discuss this, then I'll come back to this. What
like
is the doubt here?
the condition is true and it has to go in, sir.
No. There is an assembly instruction generated for this.
Okay.
This is runtime. Okay. But this case labels are there, no? This
Yes, sir.
values. This must be an integer constant. Okay. Open page number 20. Open page number 26. Open page number 26.
Open.
Yeah, switch expressions must yield a value of char, byte, short, int, or string. Char, byte, short, int, or string. You're understanding? But
Yes,
it cannot be any expression. 0 plus I and all that. Case labels cannot be an expression. Okay. So that is why there is no expression allowed. There can be an integer constant, but there cannot be an expression like this which contains a variables and all that. That's why it will give you an error.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But in place of case, there can also be a string. Okay, like something like this. It can be a string. And this was allowed only in Java 7 onwards. Java 7 onwards, this was allowed. Before Java 7, even this was not allowed. Only integer constants were allowed. You put floating point, you will get an error over here. Okay. You
like
put
case A, case B, case C, and default is allowed.
No, what is that?
Case A, instead of case 1, case 2, case 3, we can put case A, case B, case C, but we cannot put case 1.1, 1.2, 1.3.
Yeah, you cannot put 1.1, but you can also, you cannot even put case A like this. If you want to put A, it should either be a character or it should be a string.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, because character also is an integer constant. It is an integral constant internally. That is allowed. But just A is not allowed.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Just A is not allowed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Anusha here, sir.
Yeah, Anusha, tell me.
Sir, you told that compiler can make simple additions. Like if we give it case 0 plus 1, it will take as case 1. Suppose if we give it as 0 plus 2 and other case 2 is also given, which will be printed, sir?
You will see, first thing is, Anusha, you'll have to try it out and see. But because you asked, I'll tell you. I think there is one example. 10th one is something similar to that only. You will get a compile time error.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Anusha, I can see most of your questions are like, which you have to try by yourself, Anusha. Like, what will happen if I put this? What will happen if I put that and all that? Okay, Anusha?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
What you should do, no, all these things you should try out by yourself only.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, you are trying to make me compiler.
No,
Why,
nothing like
Anusha?
that, sir. Just a doubt arised. I asked you, sir.
So when you get such kind of doubt, no, you'll have to write it down and you have to type it and see. All these are simple, no. What will happen if I put I into this, if I make 2? Because I told you, but yeah. So when you say, it will give you a duplicate error. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine. See, 10th one I've given the same thing what you asked. It is like 10th one only. Okay. Anyways, guys, 8th one is an error. Okay. Now come to the 9th one. Joshua, what is the output of 9th one?
Yes, sir. Int I is equal to 2, switch sign, case 2 is empty, case 1 is empty, case 3 is empty, case 9 system out println loud, default system out println let loud.
Yeah, so what happens? What is the output?
So I think there will be a break, there will be an empty space, loud one let loud.
No, it is not empty space. We are not printing any empty space. I will enter into case 2, but I have nothing to do there, and then I'll come down. Nothing to play. I'll come down. Okay, nothing to play. Then I'll come down. There is one game to play. That is love. Then I'll come down. Then I'll say let love. So the output would be love and let love.
Okay, sir.
Is that okay? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Only thing is there is no games to play in 2, 1 and 3. Empty. Empty games, empty ground, no, nothing to play. It will just fall down and it will print love and let love. Okay, guys. Okay, okay. Hello, everyone. Yeah, okay. Try, see, guys. After the class, no, I want you to try out various versions of all these things. Don't just execute only this and sit. I want you to execute different versions of all these programs. Okay. Yeah, Joshua, 10th one.
10th one, int I is equal to 2, switch I, case 2 is empty, case 1 is empty, case 3 is empty. Again we have a case 2, system out println.
Yeah, it will give you an error called as duplicate case label.
Okay, sir.
You cannot have duplicate case labels. That will give you an error. Guys, is that okay? Duplicate case labels. Hello, okay? Put that in the chat box, I mean in the material, error you put, duplicate case labels. Put that in the material and say return. Okay. Okay. Joshua, can we do this true or false? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, we'll do true or false. Sir. And tomorrow we will do programs and try this out. Okay. Who is that? Someone said hello.
Sir, this is Soumya Ganapati, sir.
Soumya Ganapati.
Sir, that last duplicate case labels, how he told like that, sir.
What?
10th one, sir. So I don't understand it, sir.
Okay. What did you see that there are 2 times case 2, case 2?
Yes, sir.
So you cannot have duplicate case labels there.
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, in the 9th program, I is equal to 2, sir. How can it enter into case 1 and 3?
You did not understand my switch case at all then. What I thought you.
Sir, I think.
No, you did not understand my switch. Why did I tell you? I gave you Wonderla example. If you buy 1 ticket, what will happen?
Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. It will go through all the cases, sir.
Like that.
Yes,
Once you
sir.
enter into case 2, it will play all the games. Only thing
Yes,
is
sir,
case 2, case 1, case 3, there are no games. That's all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. True or false shall we do, guys? True or false? Yeah. Joshua?
Sir, 8th question output is idli, right, sir?
Ayyo Rama, now you are asking the 8th question. Who is that?
Sir, Naveen, sir. Only output, sir. I didn't write.
Oh, I was teaching, no man. See, everybody are saying output there. What they are saying, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Hey, who is that? Oh, I forgot your name. What name?
Sir, Naveen, sir.
Hey,
No,
Naveen,
sir, I
what you are
forgot
doing?
to
Tell
write.
me.
Sir, I wrote case labels can't be expression, but I forgot to write the output, sir. That's why
There
I
is no
asked.
output. That is error.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You cannot have
Okay,
expressions
sir.
there.
Sir, but it's in the first case, right, sir? But the int value is 2, right? Then it will come directly to the.
But to come to
second
that, first of all, you have to compile, no?
Okay, sir.
Compiler
Got it, sir.
will
Got
not
it.
allow the syntax at all. Then only once you run the program only it will come.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. Unnati is asking in 8th program there is no default. Writing default is not mandatory, Unnati. Writing default is not mandatory in a switch statement. Okay, Unnati?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So Joshua, true or false?
Yes, sir. Float expression can be used in a switch statement. False.
True or false?
False.
Okay, false. Ramya is asking one question. What are all the labels that Java supports? Ramya, go to page number 26. I've given you page number 26. I've given you there. Okay, tell me, Joshua, second one. First one is false. Second one.
Any non-zero value is considered as true in Java. False.
False, no? Hey, who is that? True. Firasat, they put her out of the class. This girl, Firasat, telling wrong things. True, it seems. Second one is false, no? Firasat. Hey, Firasat, unmute yourself. Firasat, you're there?
Yes.
What is true? Any non-zero value is considered as true in Java. That is only in C. In Java, only true can make anything true. That's all. Non-zero value is not considered as true. Only Boolean expressions, true or false. That's all. Okay. Second one is true. Next, Joshua, third one.
It is mandatory to put a single statement associated with an if statement within braces. Not really, sir. No.
You say true or false?
False.
False. It is mandatory to put a single statement associated with if within braces, not required. Yes or no? If you have only one statement within your if, it can have it. It can be put within braces also, without braces also. Okay. No, open braces, closed braces is not needed. Is that okay? So what is the answer? It is false. Okay. Fourth one.
Break statement is mandatory in a switch statement. False.
No, false. Not mandatory. Okay. Next.
If we enter a double value to an extent method, the fractional part is truncated.
Now, what will happen? False. You cannot enter a double value to an method that is expecting an integer. You will get an exception. Okay. So if you try to enter a double value to a method that is expecting an integer, you will get a runtime error. That is nothing but exception. So it is false. So all are false in this, Joshua?
Yeah, sir.
Oh my God. Why? All are false. Okay. Right. Then we have something called as try this out. I think we will do it tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow we will do programs and try this out. And meanwhile, I want you to do all these programs. What is that? Whatever I taught you now, test it, everything, and come. All the guess the output. Guys, do all the guess the output and come tomorrow. Okay. I gave you one assignment, no, that to do by 11 o'clock. What is it?
Sir, we have to put the default in the top and try it, sir.
Huh?
Put the default above case 1 and try it, sir.
Correct. Put the default in top of. Okay, one more again. What is that?
%3, %2, so for 1, 2, 3, 4.
Correct. So which is that program? And which is that program? That is the 7th one, no? For 7th program. Okay. So put all those things and put that in the chat box. I think I will open the WhatsApp group now till 11 o'clock. Let me see who all will do and show it to me. Okay. Did you enjoy the class today, guys? Did you enjoy the class?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Yes.
Hello, sir. This is Gayatri here.
Where?
Hello, sir.
Gayatri, where? Gayatri here means where?
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Tell me.
Okay. So I have a doubt in fourth one, sir. Actually, I understood the concept in that. Little bit doubt in there. In first, if I greater than j, no, sir. If it is true, where will it enter, sir?
It will not. If it is true, it will enter. Where it will enter? Okay. Why didn't you ask me that time only?
Little bit hesitation, sir.
No, it is not little bit hesitation. See what happens now. I have to write an entire code again first.
Sir, I understood, sir. If the outermost if has no else conditions, so there is no value. For innermost if we have the else condition.
Okay, listen. Cool. Listen.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, what I'm trying to tell you is, when I'm asking you, do you have any doubt? Please ask that time only. The reason is, see, I had written how it looks like and all that. Now I will have to rewrite every code. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ama. Tamil.
Sir, amang, sir. Sorry, sir.
I mean, I don't know Tamil, but still you make me speak Tamil. Yeah? See, ipdi. Purida?
Yes, sir.
Ipdi. I greater than K. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Purida?
Puridu, sir.
Purida. Okay. Idallam puridu. Else. System. This is how it looks like. Purida? Okay.
Puridu, sir.
இப்போ சொல்லுங்க என்ன உங்களுக்கு டவுட் என்ன சொல்லுங்க இப்போ இது ட்ரூ ஆனா I greater than j இது ட்ரூ ஆனா okay so what will happen it will enter into this இதுக்குள்ளே வருது
fine sir
இதுக்குள்ளே வருது இது எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணுது அப்புறமா திரும்பி what it will come outside
I understood sir thank you so much sir
okay fine okay got it
thank you sir
okay
sir
yeah tell me
sir I'm Apurupa
tell me which is your language
Telugu sir
Telugu no idea I should ask my wife tell me
okay sir how does 8.1 f got allocated sir as you told in format specifier
8.1 did not get allocated 8 only sir, got allocated
okay then 5.6 then how 5.63 got stored
it didn't get stored it is format it is a format and 0.1 means after the decimal only one digit is what it says
okay
8 spaces allocated store 5.6 in that okay and after the point only one digit you take is what it says
so can you please write it in that
I'm sure no okay I'll show you that
Sir, not like that. I mean,
You
not
listen
in
to
the
whatever
program.
you listen to
No
whatever I'm
value
saying.
for if
Okay.
because of no else.
See here, 8 spaces got allocated. Okay, and that 5.6 got stored in that, got printed in that position. And after that, I'm saying 8.1 means only one
Method.
element, one digit after that. That's all.
Okay, 5.6 is, I mean, it gets printed at the last. Is it, sir?
I mean, you can see, no, that is what it is.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hello.
So this is Rajiv here. Sir, in the true and false, so the fifth one.
Okay.
Can you explain that, sir?
If we enter a double value to a, 1 second, wait. Okay. What is your name? Rajiv, right?
Yes, sir.
If we enter a double value, okay, int num is equal to in dot next int. Okay. Okay, so Rajiv, what
Yes,
I'm
sir.
trying to do is I'm having, can you see, do you know next int?
Yeah, it's a method you're given.
java.util.start. Okay, so next int is a method which is trying to receive an integer value from the keyboard.
Okay.
Okay, no, so when I'm asking, if suppose for this next int method I try to give a double value, will it take, is the question. Okay, so I'm compiling this code, Rajiv test.java.
Okay.
I'm running this code, Rajiv test. Okay, so now it is waiting for me to enter the input. Okay, so what was the input that I am supposed to give? An integer, right?
Yeah.
Now I'll give a double, 8.0. Okay,
Okay.
I'm giving an enter. So what happens? It gives me a runtime error.
Exception. Okay.
So if we enter a double value to a next int method, the fractional part is truncated. Is what is the statement given in fifth? No, it won't be truncated. Rather, it would be an error, runtime error. So that is the reason it is false.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the second assignment question, sir?
I also forgot.
Sir, that seventh one, sir, I actually didn't get it right.
The last one, instead of %6, you try %3, %2, and all those things.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. That regarding operator, shall I ask doubt in chat because I'm in own sister marriage function, so I can't. You enjoy your sister's function and you ask me tomorrow. Don't worry. You finish off all your function and then I'll explain you. Don't worry. Nagamsini, Ramya, Ramesh Babu, don't worry. You have fun with your marriage. It's okay. Absolutely okay. Have nice dinner. It's your own sister, is it? Okay. Okay. Fine. Don't worry. We'll discuss that tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. You can ask me tomorrow. No problem. Okay. Okay. Your own sister. Enjoy. Have fun. Okay. Chalo, you could have at least invited all of us. We wouldn't have come, but still, for namesake, at least you could have invited us. Anyways, people don't have the habit of inviting for sister's marriage. No. Anyways, chalo, no problem. Chalo, guys. So meet you tomorrow with a lot of. It's okay. I was kidding. Okay. So, Mohammad Ashfaq, tomorrow I'll give you live tip. Okay. Yeah. So meet you tomorrow with programs. So please mess up with these programs and then come. Please try all these different things and then do. Okay. Chalo. Okay. Bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.